Hello viewers, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time, please subscribe. Okay, do not forget to click on the notification button in case we upload any new video. You can get a notified alert. Okay, quick one. The question you asked Okemute is that how can I use cocoa butter lotion to lighten up or shea butter lotion to lighten up? It's very easy. All right, and I want to show you what you can use, three things you can use to add up to your butter, shea butter or cocoa butter. Especially you can see this particular one. You can use any of the cocoa butter or any of the shea butters. You can see this particular one we are talking about. First of all, you have to consider or basically which of the cocoa butter lotion are you using. Is it a lighting one? Because we have lighting ones and it also made the skin firm. All right. Why this other one? This one is just for moisturizer. Okay, it moisturize the skin and make your skin glow. Also, that is basically what they do. These two products I just showed you. So if you really want to make them to lighten you and give you like those four shade, all right, you have to first of all you add your citro clear to it. All right, yes, you add your citro clear to mix it properly. Use the full bottle or 60 ml. Think about 60 ml of that citro clear to mix the cocoa butter lotion. All right, okay, then after that you now use your, you can use any other serum you want to use, or then you use your perfect oil, all right, your perfect skin oil to mix it. All right, just use about half of the bottle, all right, to mix it. Then you now put one blend pro 9 cream, all right, yes, 50 ml blend pro 9 cream, which is the activator. You now put your blend pro 9 activator, all right. One, you've added two perfect oil that you know that it will activate the cream, but to make it bind together and also more effective, you now add your blend pro 9 activator. Trust me, you don't need to spend much on this one. Very okay and safe. You don't need to spend much. If you'll be doing this, trust me, you watch color you will achieve in the next 15 days. So okay, is not by you going to use expensive product, all right, or it's not by you buying some cheap product either, but you can factor a way out between the two sides. You can take some cheap product and mix them with some uh expensive product also and factor out the color you want to get. All right, there's no harm in trying. That's why I always tell you, try this method. Use this cocoa butter, this particular one, then use this serum, these two serum, this, you can see them, use them, and use your blend pro 9 activator. You're done. Before you know it, you're done. The color your skin will give you to never be like the color you'll be getting from some product you've been using before. Why? Because now in there you've gotten a moisturizer, a perfect safe moisturizer that only just tone you up with the influence of citroclear and perfect skin oil. All right, then to crown it all, you now added the blend pro 9 activator. The blend pro 9 activator is just for it to boost it and make it to a whitening. All right, so let's assume that your skin is this type that it's very strong. How can you really achieve the right color? That is why some persons, when they go for products, you hear them say, "Give me scrub, give me this." It's not by really the scrub. Scrub is just 20% or 30%, right? But the product itself, there are some products that, because of the way they are ticking and the products, what they use to make them, the additives make them thicker. So how do you expect a product that is a cream that is very thick to penetrate? That is why I say I don't use cream that is watery. It's not watery, but the cream should be at least not watery, not thick. So it should be at the middle. All right. So when you're producing a cream at all, please consider that, because after you exfoliate your skin, all right, the product itself should be able to penetrate. So with the help of your glycolic acid to that will exfoliate the skin, with the help of your propylene glycol also, it can also penetrate. All right. So we should always consider this when we're making our cream. So do not forget that you can use your cocoa butter or shea butter with perfect skin oil and citroclear oil, and also your blend prona activator. So bye bye.